This is Sean, January 20th, 23. Again, second wind. I'm waiting to hear back about how much time I should be on these out drives. I might have to go to another boat, but I just want to go ahead and give a video of the hull clean that I did, except for the very heavy growth on the inboard out drives. So let's go take a look. So we got it all looking pretty nice there. Trim tabs looking pretty good. Even the transom's looking good. Other trim tab looking good. As you can see there, that's pretty much where those tube worms start and continue across the bottom into the inboard out drives. So, pretty nice. I scrubbed the heck out of this. There's still a little bit of a stain. Let's go look at the bottom. Again, I'm fighting with this stain a little bit. Besides that, take another quick little view while I'm going back to the dock. And I am, regardless of working on the motors, we're going to take care of that vent real quick. Get my fire here. Let's go get that vent cleared up. I wanted to leave that for a little bit, just because, as you can see in the video, there is that glue left over, but scraping that glue off is also kind of hard on the paint. So, yes, diving. This is Sean. Thank you very much.